Hello friends, today I'm going to discuss about trigonometric equation for sin x equal to 0, cos x equal to 0 and tan x equal to 0. So we know for number 1, let's take for this one. Number 1, we know sin of x equal to 0 from here, which implies that x is equal to sin is in which angle sin becomes 0 is sin 0 degrees 0 and sin 180 degrees 0 and sin 2 pi, then is 363 pi, and so on. It will keep on, or minus, also minus pi minus 2 pi minus 3 pi, and so on. So then is x is an integral multiple of pi. So hence sin x equal to 0, which implies the x is. So when we observe this, sin x is 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, or minus pi minus 2 pi. So it is just same as n pi, I can say, where n belongs to integer. And number 2, and cos of x equal to 0, which implies that x is equal to, when one is the value of x, so that cos of that angle should be 0, is plus minus 90 degree, or plus minus 3 pi by 2, or plus minus, I can combine in both, so 5 pi by 2, and so on. So x is an integral multiple of pi over 2. So pi over 2, so 3 pi over 2, so 5 pi by 2. So hence cos of x equal to 0. So x will be 2n plus 1, 2n plus 1 pi by 2. So n belongs to integer. So when n is, let's take example. When n is 1, so 1 is 2 plus 1, n is 3 pi by 2. So we get this. When n is 0, n is 1 pi by 2 again. So this is on number 3. For tan x equal to 0, when will this angle, tan angle, will be equal to 0 is that it will be this x will be is 0 when it is 0 or plus minus pi, plus minus 2 pi, plus minus 3 pi, and so on. So then is x is an integral multiple of pi, I can say. So tan of x is equal to 0, which implies that x is equal to just n pi, where n belongs to integer. So this one, this, and this is solving trigonometric equation for sin x n equal to 0, or cos x equal to 0, or tan x equal to 0.